Alright guys, Will here from ZaltekReviews.com. Today I'm taking another look at the Photic Diver, Photic? I don't know. From Clemence Watches. Clemence Watches is actually based in Scotland. Freedom! Aye, one of them ones. So obviously it's a fantastic watch, and that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Cheers, bye bye. No, I reviewed the prototype about a year ago, and I got in touch with the owner again, Tom, and he sent me out another one, a production sample this time, for me to do like a follow-up review. Right, play the intro. Right guys, as I said, I reviewed the prototype of this about a year ago. I thought it was fantastic. Obviously it was a written review at the time. I thought it was great, gave it a gold award and everything. So I've got the production model this time, and Tom sent me the Athol blue version, but with the bronze gilt surrounds and whatnot, rather than the silver this time. Right, so I'll show you what's in the box. I don't think there's that much in it, to be honest with you. Let's see, shall we? A box in a box. Just a wee box with a cushion in it, spare links. No, so you get the warranty card and all the rest of this stuff. Put that to the side. Right, give me a sec. I've got a bit of a chest infection, so if I start coughing and spluttering all over the place, I'm just going to spend the weekend in bed trying to get rid of it. Right, price of these. They're available now. You can actually just buy it and it'll be sent straight away. £429, which is just over $500. $520 or something like that. I'll give you the measurements. Diameter 39.3mm. 12.1mm thickness. Lug to lug was 46.7mm, and it obviously has a 20mm lug width. Oh, by the way, if you want this on bracelet, it's a bit more expensive, but they're only charging, look at that dial, man, woohoo. They're only charging £50 for the bracelet, which is perfectly fine with me. It's worth more than £50, this bracelet, I've got to say. The movement inside it is a Miyota 9039, so 28,800 vibrations per hour, 4Hz movement, 24 joules, hackable, self-winding, 42-hour power reserve, and there's also a custom rotor. I'll show you that in a wee bit. The case is brushed and polished 316L stainless steel. The finishing is excellent, the brushing super fine. You've got a wee bit of polished accent there, just over it, like a chamfered edge along the top of the lug there. There's also a small undercut there, as you can see. Coin edge bezel, the sapphire insert. It's also fully loomed as well. Oh, something I forgot. Drilled lugs as well, so strap changes are simple, like that. That dials, man, is superb. Look at that. Anyway, let me put my sunburst dial, obviously. you get a choice of the bronze gilt surrounds and whatnot on the hands and the hour markers, or you can have it in silver. I still prefer the silver. I think it gives it a more modern look, but the bronze that's on this one, the gilt, is actually, it's very nice. It's not really in your face or anything like that. It's really nice. Oh, I'm dying here. I need to get this video done. Then I need to spend, oh god. Lume wise, you're talking 8 layers of Swiss Super Luminova C3. That's very, and it does have good lume. The bracelet, 316L stainless steel, obviously, solid links throughout. Female end links. Screw pins for, put it in frame, you tit. Screw pins for resizing and whatnot. It's fully brushed, but the sides are polished. Milled clasp, and it's fully milled as well. Not got a lot of micro adjust, but you've got 3 levels of micro adjust, but you do have a diver's extension, and as I said, it's fully milled as well. All nice, great quality as well. Obviously it's signed, as you can see there. I don't think they needed to put diver's extension on the clasp, but doesn't make any difference really. I wouldn't have done it. Case back, obviously it's screwed down. You've got various specs around the edge there. It's exhibition display, and that is a piece of sapphire. And you can also see the custom rotor there, which is nice. Right, it's all good. Let me put the watch back down. What's next? Oh, double dome sapphire crystal, and it has 6 layers of inner anti-reflective coating. It's got 200 meters of water resistance. I'll explain that. The crown is 6.2 mils. It's screwed down, and as you can see, it's signed with the Clemence logo. The weight of this on the bracelet, sized up for my 6 3/4 inch wrist. I measured, I weighed it in at 148.2 grams. Perfect size. Perfect weight even. It comes in 2 colourways, Abyss Black or Atoll Blue. And as I said earlier on, you can have gilt or silver hands slash indices. Warranty wise, you're looking at a year. I would have liked to have seen 2 years, but to be honest, the way this thing's built, you won't have any issues with it. And I'm pretty sure even after 12 months, if the warranty, if the movement, was something was to happen to it, which it never does. These Miyota movements are really good. Great workhorses. Fuck, I need my bed. Oh. Anyway, what do I think it then? Well, beautiful watch. Build quality is brilliant. There's no movement there whatsoever. The bezel action is superb, lines up perfectly. The dial's the star of the show though. That's beautiful. And it's a really nice shady blue as well. I've not seen the black version. I'm kind of gratified towards this blue. I do like it. I really like it. This video isn't sponsored by Clemence, because it was me that reached out to them to see if I can get a production one in. So this one's just on loan and it's going back to Tom. I believe this is actually Tom's personal watch. So thanks again, Tom, for sending it in. I've looked after it. There's not a single scratch in it, so you don't need to worry. Fantastic watch. Give you a quick wrist check. Just zoom out a bit. Today I'm wearing my new, I just bought this. It's the AD8 from Wise Timepieces. 904L stainless steel, Miyota movement, dated 6, superb dial, and I put my Erica's original strap on it and I think it's stunning. Anyway, I'm not here to show you that. Let me take that off. Aye, thanks, I'm recording. What? Nothing! Fucking woman, man. That's 2 videos in a row. She's talked to her a tapia. Right, there's a Photic. Is it Photic or Photic? Oh, I don't know. Wears great anyway. Lovely watch. Sits under this perfectly, nice and slim. That dial's stunning, man. Oh, I'm dying here. Oh. Hang on a sec. I'm in my bed. I'll give you a quick... I'll turn all these lights off, that would help if I'm giving you a limb shot. Oh, I got a new UV torch, by the way. Thanks to Wise for sending me it. It's good quality. Right, let me show you the lume on this. There you go, there's the lume. Really good lume. Nice clean application. Oh, fuck me. Right, I'm going to my bed. Brilliant watch, buy it. That's all I could say. Superb watch. Thanks again, Tom, for sending it in. Thanks to you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video if I'm still alive. Toodles.